Photography is not just about capturing a moment, it's about capturing a story, an emotion, a personality. Meet Vikas Ingale, a passionate and professional photographer by choice, with over 25 years of experience behind the lens. His journey has been nothing short of extraordinary. Working with world renowned brands like Johnson, Mercedes, Raymond, Levi's, and Adidas, and many more. But beyond his commercial success, Vikas is a mentor and a guide. With 15,000 plus students trained across India, his photography workshops empower both beginner and professionals to see the world through a different lens. His true expertise lies in portrait photography, capturing not just how you look, but who you truly are. With his deep understanding of human nature, every frame becomes a story waiting to be told. Welcome to Vikas Ingale's world where identity meets perception, and every photograph is a masterpiece in itself.